just went up and down the stairs. It was a little too much. And welcome. Today's video is our weekly Boxycharm update. Some of the goodies that you are going to see in your August box, important dates, and all of that. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome to the Hot Mess Express, where I'm highly caffeinated today, and God only knows what's going to come out of my mouth. But fortunately, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where hopefully you sit back, relax, join the family, turn on your notification bell because I upload pretty much 5 to 6 days a week over here, 12:15 Monday through Friday, and then 9 p.m. on Sundays Eastern time. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what the base box is. Now, the Boxycharm Base Box is a monthly subscription and it is $25 a month. And you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in here. Now, you do get to customize one item in the box, and I actually have the items that were in the choices for the month of August. So I wanted to go ahead and talk about them with you guys. These are going to be one of the items that you know already you will be receiving in the box. I wanted to give you a little bit of my feedback on there. So first was the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now, I have this on today, and the shade that I have on today is Natural Beige. And like I told you guys, this does have a retail value of like $29, and you have to be very cautious about it underneath your eyes, because if you don't need a lot of it, and if you do put on too much and you do have mature skin, it will kind of look a little cakey. But if you use just a little bit, it looks absolutely beautiful and gorgeous underneath the skin. And I have to tell you guys, as far as the customization and picking your shade, I was so excited as far as that went. And let me know you guys' thoughts down below on this, because I thought they had a wonderful shade range. I mean, as always, we know in store or online at Too Faced or in Sephora, Ulta, whatever it is, they have a wonderful shade range. But I wasn't for sure how it was going to work for Boxycharm, if they were going to have a large selection, and I felt like they really did. So anyways, like I said, this is one of the choice items. And by the way, this was actually an add-on availability when you made your choice for August. They had add-ons. This was $12 in the add-on section. So that's why I always tell you guys, add-ons, Boxy pop-up, all of that, super amazing and important to me to help grow my collection or to give as gifts. So anyways, the next item that we saw as a choice item has a retail value of $54. This is by Glam Glow, and again, I did purchase this myself. This is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. Like I said, $54 value, and again, this was available for the add-ons for $12. Yeah, $12. I was super excited about that. Sorry guys, we had somebody at the door and I had to stop. Okay, so I don't really know where I was at. Hashtag professional, not really. Welcome to my channel. Anyways guys, then the next item we could choose from was the QMS Meta Cosmetics. This is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. This has like $105 retail value. And again, this was like $12 in the add-on store. I did pick it up and I have been using this. This is wonderful, guys. Like, absolutely wonderful. So if you are fair, medium, deep, this is very pretty, and it like blends out, and it just gives like a little bit of a hint to your skin. It smells nice, it smells clean, it doesn't smell fragrancy or anything like that, but it is a universal tint. So even if you want to just add this into your moisturizer, or like me, I just used it with a little bit of spot concealer, and it was just beautiful on my skin. Wore very well. It wasn't too oily or anything like that. So I think that if you do have oily skin, I think you're actually really going to like this as well. It is a tinted moisturizer, and that was one of the choice items. Moving right along to the next item in here, and this is by Dr. Brandt. It does have a retail value of $36, and it is the Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. There you go, Rhonda. Anyways, this again was already in my collection and I really like it. Like I said, it is a cleanser, but you can also use this as a mask as well. So after you cleanse your face and everything, then you can go ahead and put this on and let it sit for a couple minutes, and it's just absolutely amazing. So I think you'll be really, really happy if you did pick this up. Go ahead. Don't forget, wash your hands. Now, when it came to some of the other items, we're going to see a variation between two different palettes, as well as the Trustique, and this is like a Summer Glow kit. So I'll pop the picture of the Trustique kit up here. Now, this is a contour, a highlight, and I believe like a blusher, and it's 4 different little like chubby sticks to be able to create, like I said, a contour, highlight, a little bit of a blush to the cheek, and that is one item that's going to be available for, and that has a retail value of $42. Or we are going to see the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. It does have a $36 value, and we have actually seen Violet Voss before. Now, the palette that I did receive a while back was the Violet Voss Essentials. Now, like I said, the one that you will be seeing in the base box is the Essential 2 palette, and I can tell you guys, I've created looks with this palette and I love the formula in here. So I think that if you did receive the Essentials 2 palette, I think you're going to be very, very happy with it. I love the pop of blue and the purple and that pinky purple shade in there, and then of course you've got some of the neutrals in there as well, where you could create a neutral look and then add those beautiful pops of blue or purple. Love you. Yeah. And I don't know if you guys, but my son, he's gonna be 16, and every time he goes upstairs, he always is like, okay, going upstairs, love you, Mom. And I'm like, my heart. Love that. Anyways, okay, sorry guys, I digress. Anyways, and if you don't see the Essentials 2 palette, you will see the Butter London Teddy Boy palette. Now, this does have a retail value of $28, and I will be creating a look over on Instagram with this palette. Now, one thing I can tell you guys is, depending on which pictures you see, some of the pictures make it look really washed out, and I feel like it's because of this gold background. You can't really get a really good screenshot or anything of it because of that, but they're not as like muted out colors as it looks. Now, if you guys have the Tarte Tartelette palette, think of those like muted mauve-y, like almost gray-y colors. That's what this palette is, and it's very cool tone, very neutral cool tone friendly. And like I said, I will be creating a look over on my Instagram with this palette, but I think it was really, really pretty. And I did swatch it in yesterday's video, if you guys caught that. So anyways, that will be coming soon. So that is a variation that you are going to see, either the Teddy Boy palette, the Essential 2 palette, or the Trustique Glow. It's called the Summer Glow set. On top of that, some other items that we are going to be seeing in our base box, which I'm really excited about. And again, some of these items I actually showed and swatched for you guys in yesterday's video, but we will be seeing the Milk Kush. This is the brow gel. I have it today in my brows, and it's very comfortable. Like, it doesn't give you like that crunchy type of feel at all. Now, I can tell you, there's like 4 or 5 different shades to this Milk Kush. Now, I have on the shade Haze today, which is like a pretty lightweight, like blonde type of shade. So I think that it's going to be a pretty versatile type of shade if you have my shade of hair or lighter. Like I said, it's in my brows today, and I really like it. I like the fact that it doesn't leave that crunch feel behind to your brows, and there is a variety of the shades, so always make sure that your profile is up to date with Boxycharm, because they are going off of that. And then the next item is by Clarins. Now, this I believe is going to be 4 different shades. The reason I feel that way is because if you saw in yesterday's video, they did send me 4 different shades of the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. So that's why I'm thinking that it will be like one of those 4 shades. Now, the one I'm going to swatch for you guys today is 01, and I love this. This is a super lightweight formula. If you follow me over on Instagram, you will see me do a lip swatch like tutorial or whatever you want to call it over there. But it is a very pretty shade, very lightweight. It's not an uncomfortable matte. It's a very nice and moussey matte. They do have a retail value of $26, and I forgot to tell you guys, the Milk Kush the eyebrows, this has a $20 value. So we will see one of the 4 shades from Clarins. And then the next item is by Pure Heals. This is a pore clear black charcoal cleansing foam. So it instantly made me think of, like, I can't remember the brand, but it was like 2017. You'd put that stuff on and then all of a sudden it like bubbled up on your face. I'm wondering if it is that. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know down below. But it does have a retail value of $24. The next item that we are going to see is a matte for every mood. And I do believe this is a set of the Trustique like Chubby Stick lips lipstick, but I know it's a set. I just don't know how many are in the set, so let me know down below if you do know. Now don't forget, August 10th is early access to Boxy PopUp. Now Boxy PopUp, you guys, is a great way to grow your collection, and you can get up to 80% off of everything in the store. Up to, not everything, but a lot of the things are insane deals. Like I said, just with add-ons, these were full size, $12, retail value $29. So you're gonna find an array of amazing things over in Boxy PopUp. Now I did do a dedicated video for you guys, and I will try and link it in the comment section down below if you are interested in seeing all of things. But we are talking about things from Becca Cosmetics that we've seen for Solly in there. There is all kinds of amazing brands. Violet Voss is going to be in there, specifically the Flamingo palette, and it's going to be $18. That is like a 50-some dollar palette, I want to say, and it's going to be available for $18. Like, yes. So if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, they do have a coupon code POPUP6ALL08 where you get a $6 credit to your account. So if you are new to Boxycharm, you do decide to sign up, which by the way, I will have a link down below for you guys if you are interested in signing up for Base, Premium, or the Luxe Box, then I will make sure to also leave this coupon code and you will get a $6 credit. Now, I know some of you guys have asked, hey Rhonda, I'm signing up, where am I supposed to put this code? I do believe it's right before you check out. There may even be like a little tiny arrow where you've got to click it down. I could be wrong on that, but it's kind of like, I don't remember off the top of my head where you put it, but I want to say it is on the checkout. Sorry if that didn't help you guys. I'm really sorry. As far as important dates to know, like I said, Boxy PopUp will open up early access on August 10th. It does say that the September base box does open as well. I'm assuming that this is probably going to be if you have a premium or luxe membership. This is when you're going to be able to jump into your account and make your choices for September. Now, if you guys are following me, I always let you guys know over in the community section that, hey, early access is open, choice now, jump over to your account. And once you are logged into your account, it actually prompts you to make your choices. And then after you've made your choice, and then you will be prompted for like Boxy PopUp add-on, whatever it may be. This month it'll be Boxy PopUp. So then if you have a premium membership, your date is going to be August 13th. So that is when you're going to go ahead, everything opens up and you're going to make your choice. So like I said, Boxy PopUp early access for premium and luxe members is going to be August 10th, which makes me think August 11th is when, if you only have a base box, that's when you're going to be able to jump in and you're going to be able to shop as well. Like I always tell you guys, this is a fabulous way to grow your collection. This is a great way to get those Christmas gifts. And you guys even told me that last month for add-ons, the PMD, the cleanser, you guys were able to get it for $18. That thing is like a $99 product. We've seen it in the past in our Boxy Luxe, but that was available for $18. And like I said, this $54 Glam Glow moisturizer, $12. The QMS, I want to say I paid like $12 for that as well. So this is always a wonderful time when you can go ahead and pick these products up, and I highly recommend it if you can do it. Now, if you do decide to sign up for Boxycharm, always make sure to share your referral link, guys. The reason I tell you guys to do that, and I haven't reminded you guys in a while, but they have what's called the Charm Store. So if people sign up using your referral link, you get additional Charmer rewards, and you can save those rewards up to shop in the store. Now, you can't put cash down, you can't pay for any of these items in the Charmer store, but you can build up. So every time that you get a base box or or premium box or luxe box, whatever it may be, you get charmer rewards to put towards the charmer store. And again, if you are following me, I will go ahead and start making sure to let you guys know in our community section when the charmer store has opened up. Now, I've told you guys in the past that I would collect my charmer rewards, and I had like $130 or something worth of charmer rewards, and I picked up like 3 bottles of the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. You guys know this is almost a $50 skin mist, and I was able to just use my charmer rewards and pick it up, and I paid nothing. So that's why I always tell you guys that save your rewards, make sure to share that referral link. Everybody who signs up always gets a referral link. Share it over in like your Facebook, you know, on your Facebook page, or over on Twitter, whatever. It's like Rakuten. It's free money. Why not use it, you know? By the way, if you want to sign up for Rakuten, I'm not sponsored, guys. I am not sponsored at all, but I'll have my link down below so you guys can make money back too. So anyways, guys, I think that's all for this week's Boxycharm update. I'm hoping that I will receive the base box and the premium box in PR, and if so, I will definitely be coming back and doing a full unboxing for you guys. Just before we jump off, I do want to remind you guys, I do have a giveaway going on right now for the Alter Ego Artemis palette. This is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. That is $129. Yeah, so I'll have that giveaway video linked down below. You do have to go over to that video in order to enter into the giveaway, but the more you comment, and the best way, sorry I spit, the best way to get a hold of you, the more your chances grow. Anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. Like I said, if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link in the description box as well as in the comment section down below. If you guys do use that, thank you guys in advance. It is an affiliate link, and I will earn a little bit of a commission if you do sign up. Don't forget, like I said, I'll have the coupon code to enter in so you get a $6 credit when you go shop the Boxy Pop-Up. I can't wait to hear what you guys pick up. So important dates: August 10th, August 11th, and August 13th. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.